In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Squarespace. Whether you're updating your security or just need a new password, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First, navigate to your Squarespace homepage. This is your starting point where you can access all the features you need to update your website settings. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so using your account credentials. Once you're on the homepage, direct yourself to the Website section by clicking on it. This action will take you to a hub where you can manage all your website-related settings. It's designed to allow website owners like you to have easy access to their site configurations. Next, find and select the Pages option. This step is crucial because it allows you to choose a specific page where you want to apply the password change. Here, Squarespace organizes all your created pages, making it easy to navigate and customize them. After choosing a page, look for the gear icon. This icon is typically used to represent settings or editing options, and clicking on it will open up a new set of options related to the selected page. This step is essential for accessing the settings where you can add a password. Now, proceed to click on Add Password. This feature is designed to help you protect your pages, making sure only those with the password can view or edit content. Adding a password is a simple way to increase your website's security and control access to specific sections of it. Once you've clicked on the Add Password option, a field will appear where you can type in your desired new password. Take a moment here to think about password security. Choose a combination that is strong and secure. Consider combining letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance its strength, which can help prevent unauthorized access. Finally, be sure to click on Save. This is an important step because without saving, any changes you make, including your new password, will not be applied. Saving locks in your password changes and activates them for the selected page. And that's it. You've successfully updated the password for a page on your Squarespace site. This process is straightforward but crucial for enhancing your site's security. If you need to change passwords frequently, you'll now be able to do so confidently and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks on managing your Squarespace site.